Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to wherever you are. Welcome back to English with Light. My name is Luz, and on today's video, we're going to go through part 2 of the series of animals. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure to share this video with anybody learning the language. Let's get started. Horse, horse, horse. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Duck, duck, duck. Cow, cow, cow. Giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. Crab, crab, crab. Koala, koala, koala. Octopus, octopus, octopus. Dolphin, dolphin, dolphin. Snake, snake, snake. Jellyfish, jellyfish, jellyfish. All right, you guys, that's it for today's vocabulary list. Now it is quiz time. Koala, koala. Giraffe, giraffe. Snake, snake. Duck, duck. Monkey, monkey. Cow, cow. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Dolphin, dolphin. Crab, crab. Horse, horse. Octopus, octopus. Okie dokie. Well, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to share this video. Let us know on the comment section what other topics you would like for us to share with you. Also, follow us on social media. I hope you have a fantastic week. God loves you. God bless. Bye-bye.